So mga kaibigan, ngayon ay 5:30 at andito pa lang pala kami sa Vizcaya at medyo malayo-layo pa kami from Sagada. We're now here at something Vizcaya and we're not even halfway. I think we're just halfway to Sagada, maybe just merely halfway to Sagada, and it's gonna take another, I think, at least 4 or 5 hours before we get there. So I hope we get there soon. And apparently it's really cold there, and guess what, I forgot my jacket. So 7 AM ngayon, and saan kayo pupunta? Saan kayo pupunta? Ba't nahihiya kayo? Bakit nahihiya? Matakot kayo? Oh, high five. High five. High five lang, oh. Up here. Ayaw. Ayaw. Iniwan. Grabe, oh. Grabe mga bata. Tumakbo pa. What? Are you scared of me? And ayun na si Baninay. Antok pa yata to eh. Oy, white shoes din. Oy.
Twinnie!
Oy. Ginagaya mo
ano
ba
ba
ako?
yan?
Ginagaya mo yata ako ah.
Uy, hindi. Ikaw yung nagpalit ng damit last night.
We're now here at one of the view decks of the Banaue Rice Terraces. Ang ganda! Busy kang dalawa, nag-vlog. Ay, ako din pa yata. No?
Yes, vlogger ka na. Vlogger.
Drone is out! Where are you going? Come back! Come back now! Mga kaibigan, andito po tayo ngayon sa Bayo. And dito naman nakita natin mga magandang rice terraces. Oy! Of course, this is all courtesy of
24 hours ha. Ito palang pinapaitin.
Travel Now Asia! Yeah!
Ang dami na natin.
Ayun know, that's the Bayo Rice Terraces, and that is like, I don't know, like the town proper area for Bayo, I assume. And you can see kung may drone ako, parang if it's a top shot na parang half house is, half terraces, that would be pretty sick shot. But I don't have a drone, so. Tapos na kami dito sa Banaue. I guess we're gonna head back to Manila now. Bye! Just kidding. Just kidding. Sagada next!
Hirap na hirap ah.
Yeah. It says clean restroom. Why? Where's the dirty restroom? There? Oh, there? Ay, wala. Na-miss mo na.
Oh my God!
Nahirap!
Break! Do you wanna try this? Yes, ma'am? Yeah, you
It's
can
yours?
try it. No, we just borrowed it.
What's up?
Friends!
Ah, je suis très content. Parce que... That's all I know.
Break!
Ano yung babay, Besh?
Au revoir.
Ako po? Ako po? Ako po?
Ako ba? Ako ba?
Ako ba?
Ako ba? Hi. Bye-bye.
mo daw, guys. Bye! Bye-bye!
Bye, baby. Let's go.
Bye!
Eventually.
After God knows how many hours, we are now finally here at Sagada! And syempre, una-una, we all have to take a quick break. Although the whole van right, natulog lang tayo, pero nakapagod pa rin naman. Medyo nahirapan tayo matulog dahil medyo masiksik.
Tapos si Balinay na yung masarap ang tulog kasi.
Bakit?
Kasi hindi ako nakaunat, Brad eh.
Straight lang ako sa van. Ang delete ko kasi perks.
Grabe yung leg ko kanina sa sa likod. Nakagunan ako sa window. Masyadong matangkad ako yata. Ano yan lang.